Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2014 Kawasaki Ninja 300 SE model with ABS brakes. Beautiful white and black paint scheme, 18,000 miles, gorgeous condition, just serviced, ready to make your lightweight sport bike dreams come true for just $39.99. This bike is in really nice shape. Come on by, check it out. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.